Hello class, how are you? You are here with Teacher Salvador Magimo, okay? Your best English teacher, okay? Your favorite English teacher, and I'm very happy, very happy to be here in front of you, okay? To just try to teach you some English, just try to make you speak some English and be able to express yourself in different situations, okay, in your daily life. Lesson one, okay, this, that, these, those, okay, demonstrative pronouns, okay. We're just trying to be able to point out objects, point out people, point out animals, and anything else that we have to point out, okay. We have to use the best expression. This is a pen. This is a pen. You see? This is a pen. Singular. Plural. These are pens. These are pens. This is a pen. These are pens. These are pens. So we have this, which is singular, and these, okay, plural. Very good? Yes, very good. We're using this for something that is near. Ok? Estamos a usar este this para algo que está perto. For something that is near. Ok? This is a pen. These are pens, plural. Ok? For objects that are near. Para objetos que estão perto. Ok? Plural. These. Singular. This. Ok? Plural. This, singular, this. Very good, okay? I know you can practice that. Can you hold your pen and say this? And this is a pen, okay? These are pens, okay? When it's singular, we say this is a pen, okay? We use the expression is. When it's plural, we say these are pens, okay? These are pens. Continue with this, for something that is far, we have to point out que está distante, okay? We have to point out something that is far. We're going to use what? That, okay? For example, you see the marker is there, I'm very far, okay? Estou muito distante. That is a marker. That is a marker. Very nice. That is a pen. That is a pen. That is a marker. That is a pen. These objects are far. Estão distantes. Estes objetos estão distantes, okay? That is a car. You see? That is a car. The car is far, okay? It's plural. I mean, it's singular. It is singular. That is a car. That is a car. I can see the car from my windows here. That is a car. A car is passing. Okay, that is Toyota Corolla. A car is passing. That is a car. That is a car. Okay. When we have two objects, we say it in plural. You see. Those are cars. I see two cars there. Those are cars. You see, those are cars. Okay, I see two cars. Let's suppose that these markers are very far too. Vamos supor que esses marcadores estão distantes. Okay, those are markers. Those are markers. Okay, those are markers. Okay. Can you give me those two markers? Pode me dar esses dois marcadores? Can you give me those two markers? You see, so this is how we use, that and does. You see, does, plural, okay? For things that are far, okay? Plural, mas para coisas tão distantes. And that is a marker. Aquele é um marcador. That is a marker. Those are markers. Aqueles são os marcadores. So, this is almost all about, this, that, does, okay? This is a pen. These are pens. That is a car. That is a car. Those are cars, plural, those, okay? And this is the lesson 1. Thank you so much, okay, for your attention, okay? I can say, I like this pen. I like this pen, okay? I like this red pen. I like these pens, okay? These pens, okay? Estão perto. That's why I say these. É por isso que eu tenho que dizer these. Se estivessem longe, I like those pens. I like those pens. Gosto daquelas canetas. Or I like that pen. Como é uma só. I like that pen. So, thank you so much for your attention, class. See you next lesson. Goodbye with your Teacher Salvador Magimo, your favorite English teacher. Goodbye.